So the goal is to gain access for our crews to do some line repairs and upgrades. But while we're opening up this old road, which is not a public road, but is on private road, over the years, actually decades, the vegetation has encroached onto the road. And normally we would just trim enough to get our vehicles up. But we got to thinking, you know, with fire hazards up in this area, real dry brush, right next door to a lot of residents' homes, we thought, you know, if we just go a little bit more, what if we go a total of 30 feet, which was an extra, say, 10 feet on each side of the road, to give it probability of an actual feasible fire break. Well, 30 foot can be very effective for slowing a spreading fire down to a crawl, if not completely stopping it. Going that extra step in an effort to do our part to the local community here, we thought, let's do it.